is literally my cheat code to girly hair. Hi loves! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Carrie. Welcome to a darling diary entry. I make girly glam, slightly ratchet content here online. And if there's one thing about me, I love a good piece of hair. Extensions, we love them. Wigs, we love them. Ponytails, absolutely obsessed with them. And while I've created some beauty content online where it's kind of going back to the basics and really giving you a one-on-one look on some essential things when it comes to makeup, I haven't quite done that with hair. I was not born with a thick, luscious head of hair. I've always had super thin, fine hair. But because of that, I've also found ways to really quickly and cheaply finesse some glamorous looks with my hair and some additions. I feel like with the right ponytail, you can look super chic, super darling. I'm going to take you guys through how to look a little bit more darling and girly and put together and hyper feminine in less than 2 minutes with a ponytail extension. It's pretty straightforward, but I have realized that some people are not used to this, and it's still a learning curve if you've never applied one. It was definitely one for me when I first got my first ponytail extension. She was loose, baby, and she was not looking that great, but I figured out a way to make it work. And so if you're curious on how to perfect the hyper feminine pony, then just keep on watching, but of course make sure that you stop and subscribe, and be sure to give this a thumbs up if you want more hyper feminine 101 type of videos on this channel. With all that being said, we're gonna get right into today's tutorial. Okay, first things first, you're gonna look a little crazy. You just need to trust the process. I typically like a center part. That's my type of thing, which is crazy because I used to think that that was it was giving Amish. No offense to the Amish community, it's just not a community I'm a part of. I do feel like a side part can be soft and girly and engaging, and I think it just kind of depends a lot on your face shape, facial composition, all that jazz, but I think you can get away with pretty much any part. Some people even do no parts, and I think it has its place, but I feel like for the most part, to look a little girly, darling, chic, let's go with the part. And just to show you the versatility of both, I'm going to start with the side part. And you don't want it too far down the side because you don't want it to look like comb over or your emo era. My favorite brushes I 10 out of 10 recommend using are the Tangle Teasers. I think these are absolutely amazing. I have like 10 different ones, but I think they're good with both your natural hair, with different hair textures, and with extensions, ponies, all that jazz, without pulling out your hair itself. So I'm just gonna calm my hair down first of all. I tend to find that low ponytails are not the most feminine. If you bring it up a little bit towards the like whitest part of your skull, I think that's giving modern day ladies for lunch, girly pop. And then the higher the pony after that is giving like super feminine girly. So I think for the first pony with the side part, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do a high pony. The only other brush you need is a smoothing brush. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna start snatching the hair up. Now I try to keep the part throughout the entire time that you have a ponytail, but if you pull your hair up high, you might start to lose the part. So if you feel like that's happening too much with your hair, especially if your hair is way thicker than mine, I recommend taking the front section of your hair and not putting it in the ponytail, and then you're just gonna pin it up later. And that way you can keep your part going. Also a reminder to never forget to get the back. Get that kitchen, girl. You're gonna take a hair elastic and you're gonna secure your ponytail. And I really like these by Kitsch. I just recommend getting ones that don't have like a metal stopper or anything in it. It's just completely seamless. They're better for your hair. As you can see, I have my pony. She's thin, she's tiny, she's a baby. She's a little timid. And so now what I like to do is twist her, and you can either twist it formally like this with 2 strands, or you can just twist it. You're gonna twist this like a little ballerina, then secure with another hair tie. So now it's like you're going to ballet. Now you do want this bun to be immovable, okay? She shouldn't be flipping and flopping all over the place because then your ponytail is not gonna stay. We're now going to take some product. I am using Control Freak Strong Hold, emphasis on the strong, edge control. This and the Fenty edge controls are the 2 best ones that I've used. I also used to really like Meow. However, I haven't found one that completely controls my edges. I have had crazy baby hairs since I was a baby. Well, since I grew hair because I was born bald. I've always had curls framing my face in not a cute way. So this is the closest that we can get to a slick back. But if you start seeing some curls pop up, it is what it is. I will pin with a bobby pin one piece behind my ear. Take the rest of it and we just wrap it around the bun. And honestly, if you're feeling really cute and your bun's really neat, you could just stop here. I'm gonna take my little edge brush and just give me a little Spanish flair. And now we're ready for a girly pop ponytail. My absolute favorite ponytail brand, ride or die since 2019, is INH. They make it really easy to have glamorous hair on a budget very quickly, especially if you don't like doing your hair. But I recently found this brand that I really like as well. It's called Canon. It's not US based. I can't remember which country, but I was still able to order offline. They're pretty inexpensive as well. But I like this brand in particular because this hair is meant to look more natural if you are curly haired like me. So it kind of gives you more of that natural, like blown out fluff. Now some companies will be different, especially if you go to like a Sally's to get ponytail. I like these ponytails and INH's because they have the clips. Then it gives you a strand of hair on the side of the weft that is kind of separate from everything else, so that you can wrap it around the base to hide the fact that you're wearing a ponytail extension. So all you're gonna do is take the comb in your ponytail, flip that baby right over your bun, and you're gonna take that comb and press it into the base of your bun. So your ponytail really should already feel like it's not going anywhere. Take that extra weft and wrap that girl around the base of the ponytail. And as you're wrapping it, it should tighten the ponytail a little bit more so that you really feel secure. And once you get to the end of that piece of hair, I just make an X with 2 bobby pins to secure it. And usually it sits underneath the ponytail itself, so it's also hidden. And now we have our first girly pop ponytail. This is literally my cheat code to girly hair. It's giving chic, it's giving doll, and we love her. And if you're not yapping like I was while doing this, it literally should take you 2 minutes to do your hair. Now, if you want to see the difference, we're going to take her out and we're going to do the middle part. Okay, our new bun is secure. This one is a little bit lower. Again, it's closer to the wider part of my head. And the one thing that I forgot to note when you're doing these hairstyles is that because the hair is going to sit on top of your bun, just remember that your ponytail is going to be a little bit higher than where you place your bun. So figure out where you want your ponytail to sit and then just go slightly lower when you're creating your natural hair ponytail and bun. Again, this time we're going for the center part. It's more modern, more mature, more... She's entering her 30s, she's becoming a wife. And for this one, I'm gonna go in with an INH pony. This is called Scarlet. She's long, Hollywood waves, and we're gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna take my comb, stick her right into the base of the bun, wrap it around, making sure that we're covering the hair wefts. And then you're just gonna take 2 bobby pins, create an X, and your hair is did, girl. She's giving pony, okay? I think that you guys can see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It truly is that simple in order to get a really easy, cute, darling, chic hairstyle, and in literally less than 2 minutes. Alright, loves. That concludes today's super quick and easy Hyper Feminine Pony one-on-one class. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about any of the styling that I might not have addressed, and let me know if there's another Hyper Feminine one-on-one class that you want in session. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next Darling Diary. Bye, loves.